At Probuild Contracts, we've built a reputation as one of Edinburgh's leading roofing specialists. With decades of experience, our team is dedicated to delivering high-quality roofing services that protect and enhance your home. Whether it's a small repair or a complete roof replacement, we handle each job with the same level of care and professionalism. Our skilled roofers have encountered all types of roofing issues, and we use that expertise to provide reliable, long-lasting solutions. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. We're proud that so many of our clients recommend us to friends and family. We believe in honest communication, integrity, and delivering results that exceed expectations. All our work comes with a guarantee ranging from 5 to 25 years. Every job is thoroughly inspected before we sign off, ensuring your roof meets our high standards of quality and safety. For a free quote and expert roofing advice, contact Probuild Contracts today. Based in Edinburgh, proudly servicing Scotland, we're here to keep your home safe, stylish, and weatherproof.